In this video we're going to look at how to design visually using AP divs, which are absolute positioning layout items. I'm going to start with a blank page, go to design view. I'm going to insert now some simple AP divs. I'm just going to draw them, and after I draw each one I'm going to highlight the handle and give it a background color. Now that's just so that you can see what I'm doing. Under normal circumstances you would be using them for inserting content, text, editable areas and other things. I'm going to give that background red, and I'm going to insert a third one. Give that background blue. Okay, now each of these has handles, so I'm able to resize them as I like. And I can also use drawing aids in order to snap them to a grid, for example. Yep. When I'm happy with the layout, I then want to select them all because I want my whole layout to appear always together in relation to each other, but centered in the page. So I'm going to firstly say select all, and then I'm going to insert a div tag, and this is going to go around the selection. I'm going to create a new ID for this because it's only going to apply for this particular tag, and I'll call it wrap. And in order for this to work properly, I'm going to give it a background color so that you can see the way it works. But in order for it to work properly, we must define it with a particular width. It has to have a width, and I'm going to give that a width of, well, my current one is about 500. If I make it about 500 wide, and I'll make it about 300 high. I'm going to make the margins auto. That's the part of it that will make it center on the page. And in the positioning, I want the positioning to be relative. I press apply. And we can see that now all of these AP divs are grouped together within the wrap tag, within the wrap div. And if I preview this in the browser, you can see that when I grab the browser window, they all move together. So I can go back, and of course I can edit these again individually, and I can add content if I wish, anywhere I want. Sometimes you can't trust visually where the content is going to appear, and for that reason often I'll go to the actual split view in order to ensure that I'm selecting the inside of the right layout item. But other than that, it's fairly straightforward.